5 hours later.
Benguet is the highland province is known as the salad bowl of the Philippines due to its huge productions of upland vegetable. Situated within the interior of Benguet is the highly organized city of Baguio, which is administered independent from the province. Marcos Highway Tunnel in Baguio City. The Marcos Highway and the Baguio Road is a Philippines major highway in northern Luzon that runs from the city of Baguio to the municipality of Aguo in the province of La Union. The 47.17 kilometers or 29.31 miles highway traverses the municipality of Tuba in Benguet and the municipalities of Pugo, Tubao, and Aguo in La Union. It is one of the three main routes used by motorists and travelers to access Baguio from the lowlands.
A few moments later.
The Mansion House, also known as the Mansion, is the official summer palace of the President of the Philippines. The mansion is located in the summer capital of the country, Baguio, situated around 5,000 feet or 1,500 meter above sea level in the Cordillera Central Range of northern Luzon. The Mansion House was built in 1908 to serve as the official summer residence of American Governors General at the insistence of Governor General William Cameron Forbes. The name or cottage in New England of Governor Forbes, whose administrations the original Mansion House was built under architect William E. Parsons, based on preliminary plans by architect Daniel H. Burnham. The planner of the city of Baguio designed the mountain retreat following the tenets of the City Beautiful movement. In 1910, the meeting of the second Philippine legislature was held at the Mansion House for 3 weeks. Pitt Park is one of Baguio's most popular attractions, and for a good reasons. This park is home to beautiful gardens, interesting historical landmarks, and a variety of fun activities. If you are looking for things to do in Baguio City, Pitt Park should be definitely at the top of your list. Trivia: Pitt Park Baguio was named after Governor Luke E. Wright, who ordered architect Daniel Burnham to design the park. The park located in the central part of Baguio City near the mansion. Good Shepherd is a religious convent in Baguio, and they're well known for great pasalubongs, goodies, or sweet treats like ubi jam, peanut brittle, lengua de gato, and strawberry jam. People normally go here to buy in wholesale, so you better early to avoid the long queue. Good Shepherd established in 1952 through a mission started by Bishop William Browsher. The convent started adopting children and ministering youth from the Cordillera provinces of Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, and Mountain Province. Mines View Park is an overlook park on the northern eastern outskirts of Baguio in the Philippines. It is 5 kilometers away from the heart of Baguio, passing through the Baguio Botanical Garden, the Mansion House, View Park, and the Pacquiao Circle. Mines View located on a land promontory 4 kilometers from downtown Baguio. The park overlooks the mining town of Bitoga, particularly the abandoned gold and copper mines of the Benguet corporations, and offers a glimpse of the Amburayan Valley.
Yan, pwede kayo dito magpa-picture. May mga ganyan-ganyan pa. Yun sa taas, ano mayroon dun? Tara bro. Horse picture.
The observation deck is situated below a winding stone-covered stairway close to the parking area.
Dito yata sa baba eh. Diyan. Hindi, papalabas na tayo. Ha?
Session Road is the main thoroughfare of Baguio in the Philippines. It is the main hub of what is called the Baguio Central Business District. And also, Session Road is a 6-lane, 1.7 km or 1.1 miles major road in Baguio, Philippines. The entire road forms part of National Route 231 or N231 of the Philippines Highway Network. An institution in the city, Weekdays is known for offering delicious food with good quantity and affordable prices. That's why locals and tourists alike flock. Burnham Park, officially known as the Burnham Park Reservation, is a historic urban park located in downtown Baguio, Philippines. It was designed by eponymous American architect and Baguio City planner Daniel Burnham. The park design is influenced from the City Beautiful movement. It has a small pond or lagoon situated at the Green Spaces Center and has regimented rows of grass and sidewalks. Only the open field open, used for football, and the Melvin Jones grandstand adhere to Burnham's originally designed for the park.
So, dito mag-rent kayo ng bike ko. Sa Burnham.
Burnham Park belongs to the Department of Tourism, while Baguio City Environment and the Parks Management's Office, SEPMO, is responsible for the maintenance and operations of the park. The rules and regulation of the park is stated in Administrative Order 21 of 2015, which includes provisions against smoking and drinking alcohol beverages, as well as selling services including massage, manicure, pedicure, and tattooing with the park.
Yo! sa ano. Hi! Opo. Magkailan po kayong bike? Nandun po sa dulo yung bike. Marami.
The colors of Stabosa, officially designated as the Stabosa Hillside Homes Artwork, is a community artwork designed by the Tamawan Village Group, and it's a locally recognized tourist attraction in the town of La Trinidad, Benguet. The paintwork of multiple houses composes the single art here. The Straw in La Trinidad is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the area. It is a great place to pick strawberries and enjoy the fresh air. If you love strawberry picking, then this is the place for you. One of the most common misconceptions about the strawberry farm is that it's located in Baguio City. However, the farm is actually situated in La Trinidad, which is a municipality in Baguio province. It's about 20 to 30 minutes away from the Baguio city.